Babe, babe, babe. Listen, let's grab some dinner tomorrow night. I'll take you out to McDonald's. Hello? Babe? Hello? She must have lost signal. She'll call me back. Hey, welcome back. My name is David. This channel is about documenting my home buying journey and also giving some tips to new home buyers. So if you're interested, hit that subscribe button below and let's start the process of getting us home. So cell phones have become the golden standard of communication in this modern world. And yet when it comes to home buying, we tend to overlook it. So one of my checklist items when it comes to checking out houses is just that. Check for cell phone signals. This can be as simple as bringing your cell phone to the open house and checking for the cell phone signal and the internet signal. That's it. It's that simple. You don't want bad cell phone signals. It is very frustrating, especially if you're having important calls and you're constantly losing signal. Maybe it's an important job interview or a work from home meeting, or even your spouse calling you with an emergency. You don't want to constantly have to go to the attic and go like this. Hello? Can you hear me? Hello? What do you say? Huh? That is annoying. If you have to spend every single call doing that, it's a waste of time and energy. Even if you have to go outside to make the call, you lose convenience and privacy. Well, one thing you can say is, well, you can always change cell phone companies after you buy the house. But that's also a gamble because you don't know if the new cell phone company will be any better at that location. Well, you may say, there's another solution, Dave. You can get home internet and you can make calls from your cell phone through the home internet. Or you can buy some cell phone signal boosters. Well, John, can I call you John? I'll call you John. Well, John, what happens if your electricity goes out? Then you'll be back to square one. So it's important to get good cell phone signals off the bat. Personally, I don't even compromise that. Next thing you want to check is your internet coverage map from your cell phone company. There's nothing worse than watching videos of cool people while you're on the toilet and then this happens. For example, my cell phone company is T-Mobile. So if I go on their website, I get this internet coverage map. So T-Mobile's branding is hot pink. So sorry if this map is burning a hole in your retina. So this is a map of Connecticut and it shows you all the areas with 5G internet or even 4G. And you can even see some areas that don't even have coverage. So you just have to make sure that the home that you're buying is in an area with good signals. If your cell phone company is different, you may still find a similar map in their website. So now you're better aware that cell phone signals are an important checklist item when it comes to buying a home. Hope that helps.